Hello consignors, this is Lindsay Frank with the Just Between Friends sales here in Reading and Oaks, and this video is going to walk you through the drop-off process for one of our sales. So I am here at Body Zone Sports and Wellness Complex in Wyomissing. I'm filming this at the Fall 2025 sale here in Reading. You can see people are coming in to drop off behind me. But the process here that we're going to walk you through is exactly the same at any of our sales, whether we're at the Greater Philadelphia Expo Center, for the Oak sale, whether we're at the Berkshire Mall for a holiday sale in Reading. We use the same process with any of our sales. So this video will walk you through all of the steps regardless of where you're selling in Reading and Oaks. I do want to mention that before you come to drop off, you are going to want to make sure that you're reading the emails that we send you. We do take great care to include all the details you need to make you successful with your drop-off process and help you sell as much as possible. That is what we're here to do. We include the drop-off map, which is going to save you a lot of steps if you can organize your stuff in advance. And also you want to organize your car in advance so that you can kind of be in and out quickly. So when you arrive to drop off at your drop-off appointment, you're going to grab one thing from your car that's tagged. Just bring one thing in, don't haul all of your stuff in, and we're going to go in and check in. So let's go and do that.
Lindsay?
Yep.
In Burnville?
Yes.
Hotmail?
Yes.
Are you working a 6-hour shift?
I am working a 4-hour shift.
Okay, and you're a perfect consigner.
I am.
So there's that.
Okay, great. So this is my pre-sale pass. These are going to be handed out at drop-off, and I get this perfect consigner pass that allows me to shop the pre-sale 30 minutes early or the 50% off pre-sale 15 minutes early. Okay.
Here's your sticker for being perfect consigner.
Sticker for being perfect. Okay.
The racks are down there.
Okay.
You can put your clothing on it and you're good to go.
Okay.
Do you have any big ticket items?
I have two, yeah.
They're around the building on the side.
So just drive over.
Yes, you can just drive over it when you're all done.
Got it. All right, thank you very much.
Thanks.
Okay, so now that I've checked in, I'm going to come and get a rolling rack. Now, sometimes these are outside because we have a little bit of a space issue here inside with all the stuff you guys are bringing in. So we want to remind you to grab one rolling rack. We have one rolling rack per consigner. So grab your rolling rack, take it out to your car, and load it up. Okay, so I've gone out to my car. I've loaded my rolling rack up. I have all my clothing on here that's organized by size. You can see I have it grouped by size. This is going to make it easy to inspect and then hang on the racks. And I'm going to take it over to the inspection area. The inspection area can be found if you look at your drop-off map. You'll see where we have inspection at each sale. Also, any team member with a JBF shirt on can direct you. So that's where we're headed next. If I'm not a perfect consigner, I'm going to bring my clothing rack to clothing inspection. Again, you can find this on the map. And this is Rachel. And Rachel is in charge of our clothing inspection here in Reading this fall. So Rachel, when I bring you my rack as a non-perfect consigner, tell me what happens next.
Yeah, so we take it, and what we're looking for are items that may be a little overworn or out of season.
Okay.
So we'll check all of that. Anything that is out of season or anything like that, we will put in a bag and hang on the front. They are considered our no thank you items. After that, we put it out into the other side where you can pick up, and from there you'll go ahead and put it on the racks.
Okay, great. So you'll let us know where these racks are going to be found when they're done, and then we grab it and we put everything out on the sales floor.
Exactly.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, so if I'm a perfect consigner, I'm coming right out onto the sales floor and I'm hanging my items. So you want to find, this is the girls' sports court, and you want to find the right size and hang your items in the correct size. You also want to find the correct category. Okay, so if I have pajamas, that they need to go behind this sign right here. And there's other signs too. Again, this stuff is all in the emails that we send as well. Okay, so accessories are inspected for everybody. Does not matter if you're a perfect consigner or not. So these are the accessory items, and our staff here is going to tell you what to do.
Okay, so if you would look at the labels here, some items do have to be new in package. So you can
Okay,
follow
like socks, underwear, okay?
that. And then we also have guidelines with us up here that show what items are new in package and what we accept completely, and then the limit.
Okay. And all of this stuff is on our what we accept documents for consigners, so nothing should be a surprise. Shoes are another thing that are inspected for both perfect and non-perfect consigners, so everybody's dropping off shoes the same way. Right now I'm in the girls' sports court. There's a separate shoe drop-off for boys, and so all of these bins are organized by size. and you just put your shoes in the correct bin. Our team members will inspect them and they will put them out on the sales floor for you. So you can see these bins already have lots of shoes that are in the process of being inspected. So again, everybody drops their shoes in the bins for shoe inspection and our team members will take it from there. For your loose items like toys, games, puzzles, dolls, that kind of stuff, you put this out on the sales floor yourself. So again, look at the drop-off map so you can know right where to go with your items. Infant items are another thing you can just put out on the sales floor. Again, if you're not a perfect consignor, while your clothing is being inspected, this is a great time to put this out. Otherwise, if you are a perfect consignor, you can certainly do this, I would say, after you hang your clothing up, so you don't have to bring a big rolling rack of clothing into the toy areas. But you just put these things away. Same thing with sporting goods. And same thing with dance costumes. We have those over here. You just hang those up and you are good to go. So some of our infant items also need to be sanitized, and this is something that our team will take care of at the sale. Here's one of our team members doing this now. You do not have to worry about this. Just hang your infant items, whether it's your boppies, your play mats, or she has an infant carrier here that needs to be sanitized, and we will take care of that. If you have books, you're going to bring them to the book drop-off, and this is Tammy. She is our book team leader. So Tammy, tell me, when I bring my books over here, I'm going to put them by category in these bins, and then what happens?
Yes, you're going to put them by categories in each one, and then we as team members, we will sort them and put them back. We have at each sale there could be a different limit, but check the guidelines for how many books you can bring.
Okay.
And just put them in the right order.
Okay.
And then that's all we do.
So group them by category at home, so I can quickly put them in the bins, and you guys take it from there.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. So my last stop here is large ticket drop-off. So if you have a large item like a stroller, a pack and play, a wagon, a crib, these kinds of things that are sitting over here, this is going to come into a separate entrance. We have this on our drop-off map. You can pull your car right up in the parking lot to our large ticket drop-off area. Assembly is on you, so make sure that your items are properly assembled when you bring them to us. You can of course do that right here in the parking lot, and then you're going to take your white tag, you're going to take it off of your item, and you're going to attach it to one of our yellow tags, and then you're going to attach it to your item. So we have all the supplies here you need. We provide you with the yellow tag, the zip ties, and the safety pins, staplers, anything that you might need to attach your item, and then we will get it on the sales floor for you. So that's it. That is the consignor drop-off process. Again, it's the same at any of our sales. We're here at Body Zone in Reading right now, but you use the same process if you're selling with us in Oaks. The important thing to do is to look at the emails that we send, look at the drop-off map, and get yourself organized before you come in.